Yan o. Hand and feet reveal. I'm not showing your face though, bro. Tol, ba't ayaw mo i-show yung face mo?
I still want to keep the mystery, like, you know?
Pero, alam mo ba yung yung video mo na sinabi Cool Kid?
Hindi ko pa yun na-post.
Pero ba't nandun na? Pinost ni Natoy.
We?
Oh.
Ay, sana lang wala dun yung Universal D kasi
Universal D nga yun eh.
nakasabi dun sa description.
Yeah.
Well,
Nah, I'm just joking. If Natoy posted that, what are you gonna do?
I'ma delete his channel.
You made that panel? Let me play something.
You're not playing Coco Melon again, dude.
No, I won't. I promise. I promise I won't.
Okay, your turn.
Nah,
Bro, little baby! Bro, baby! Do something else. Wait.
Bro, hesitated.
Okay, nasa
Hero.
Why does that actually kind of remind me something?
Dark fantasy.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna play one more thing.
Dude, hurry up. This is gonna... Oh, this is already a video. This is not gonna be...
Okay, wait. Last one.
Okay. Wait, what? Okay, bye guys.
One. Okay. Bye.
Bye.